Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to solve this sum in isometric. Now if you see in this, length is 100. So O, right side I will take 100, height is 40 and width is 50. Now first we'll see there are two parts, 1 and 2. So we'll start with part 1. Height is how much? 10 mm. So first we will take 10 mm. Then how much is this? See, this is 40, 10, 10, 60. So this would be 40. So we'll take 40 mm. Then we'll draw a vertical line. Then we'll take that line behind. Okay, so whatever is there in the front, the same thing is behind. With that concept, we can draw this part first. After that, see this much is done. Now we'll see this 10 mm. So that we can draw it in top view. Now how much is this radius? 20. So we'll take the center point, we'll take 10 on both the sides. Then we'll take center point. From that point we'll go up by 20, down by 20, left and right side 20, 20. So we can draw rhombus. See this. 20 up, 20 down. And we'll draw rhombus. We can draw rhombus by 4 center method. We can draw circle by 4 center method. Okay. Draw longest diagonal. Then from this point, where angle is more than, see, this we did, longest diagonal. Now from where angle is more than 90, from that point to the opposite midpoint, you can draw a line. This is point 1. From 1 we can draw arc. This is point 2. From 2 we'll draw arc. See this. So we are done with the semicircle. After that, take all these points behind. How much behind? 50. So we need to take circle also behind by 50. So we'll take point 1 behind by 50. See this. This is how it will appear. Now this is 50 behind, right? This circle is 50 behind. So take point 1 behind by 50. We'll take the radius. We'll do copy paste method. Copy, go behind and paste. We'll darken these lines. Now we have to draw this circle. This radius is 20. So again we'll draw rhombus of 40. So from here we'll take 40. This is also 40. So we'll draw longest diagonal. We'll take midpoint, and from the opposite corner we will join. This is 4 center method. Now from this center, we'll take this radius and we'll draw arc. Now we don't require this, we require only this much. We have to draw only quarter circle. Darken this. Now after this, we have to draw this circle, right? Which is 10 mm down. So from this point we'll go down by 10. So from this point 1 we'll go down by 10. We'll take this radius, go down by 10, and again you draw arc. See this. So this is how you draw the lower circle. This will be dark. Now we need to draw a circle also. So we'll find out the center point. And now from center we'll take 7.5, 7.5 on all the 4 sides. See this. And we'll draw rhombus. And after that again we'll use 4 center method to draw circle. Now from this center point, see this. We can draw this arc. From this point, we can draw this arc. From this diagonal intersecting that line, we'll draw this curve. Same on the other side. So we are done with circle by 4 center method. Now we need to check depth also. This will be dark. You can draw axis line. In this, the depth won't be seen of diameter 15. We can do dimensioning and labeling. We can write origin and 30-30 degree. Thank you.